Practice set 4.1 question 4. The taxable value of wristwatch. Taxable value means on which tax is to be taken. ज्यावर टॅक्स घ्यायचा आहे ती व्हॅल्यू विदाउट टॅक्स इज 586. wristwatch belt is 586. Rate of GST is 18%. What is the price of the belt for the customer? Very simple. Taxable value of belt rupees 586. GST at 18% is equal to 18% of 586. 18 upon 100 into 586. 18 table you should know. 18 6 108. 18 8 144 and that 10 154. 18 5 90 and from 154 15 is 105 upon 100. So it is rupees 105.48 upon 100 means 2 decimal to the left. This is the tax GST. Therefore GST is total GST. This is the taxable value, this is the GST. Then when customer will purchase, he has to pay this extra GST on this, and that is the total cost for the customer. That is only us. Therefore, price of the belt for customer is equal to taxable value plus GST taxable value plus GST, that is 586 plus 105.48. So rupees 0.48 decimal, take unit place 6 and 5 11, carry 1 and 0 1 and 8 9, rupees 691.48. He has to pay 691 rupees 48 paise. The fifth question, total value along with GST of remote control car is rupees 1770, means customer is purchasing for that. Find rate, and rate of GST is 18%. Find taxable value, C GST, S GST. Means if you purchase such a big toy etc. from big shop, in the receipt they are not giving 1770. Even if you purchase suppose any thing for 8,000 rupees, then on the bill it is written 6,800 plus CGST 600, SGST 600, total 8,000, like that it is written on the bill. Means for that taxable value, original value should be written on the bill, and that original value to calculate is little lengthy process. Original value to calculate is lengthy process. When taxable value is given, CGST, SGST is asked, it is very easy. Taxable value is to find and total value is given, it is lengthy. Let the taxable value of toy car, taxable value of toy car be rupees X. Therefore GST at 18% equal to 18% of taxable value, that is 18% of X, 18x upon 100, 18 upon 100 into X, 18x upon 100. Therefore total value is X plus 18x upon 100, that is given. Therefore first we will write formula, taxable value plus GST, total GST it is, not CGST, SGST, total taxable value plus GST equal to total value, and this total value is given, other things are in x. X plus 18x by 100 is, what is total value? 1770. 100x plus 18x upon 100 is 1770. That is 118x upon 100. 118x upon 100 is equal to 1770. Therefore, x is 1770 into 100 upon 118. Now we have to do this calculation. First cancel by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. Then 63s are 180, 59 3s are 3 less than 180. That is 177. Otherwise you have to do in rough 59 into 3 etc. You will get it. So what is x value? 30 multiplied by 59. 0 as it is. 3 9s are 27. 3 5s are 15 and 2 17. X is 1770 rupees. Therefore, taxable value of car is rupees 1770. 1770. Answer is not yet over. Answer is not yet over. We have obtained one answer. Now see GST, SGST remain. Now find first GST. GST is 18x upon 100. Therefore, GST is equal to 18 into what is taxable value we get? 30 into 59. Not 59, it is 50 actually. Here mistake is made. Once again neatly observed, it was 50 here. First we cancel by 2, 59, and here 50 should be written, not 59. 2 5s are 2 9s are 2 5s are and 0. And 59 cancel with these. 30 into 50 is 1500. Taxable value is 1500. Taxable value is 1500. Now x value is 1500 upon 100. Now first write up to that taxable value and then we will solve GST on that side. First write up to this. I hope all of you completed this much. Everyone must write it on the same day whenever videos are sent. Now to calculate CGST, SGST, first we will calculate GST. GST is 18x upon 100. GST at 18% is 18x upon 100. Already it was written 18x upon 100. In that x value we have to substitute 1500. 0 0 cancel, 18 5s are 90, 18 1s are 18 and 9, 270 rupees. This is GST. CGST and SGST is half of GST. CGST is GST upon 2. So out of this 270, half of that, it is 135 rupees goes to CGST. And SGST is equal to CGST. So that is also rupees 135. First we will write CGST and therefore again SGST. All the three answers I will write in the boxes, neatly write it. Once again, neatly observe. Taxable value of the car X, GST at 18%, 18x upon 100. Taxable value and GST total is total value X plus 18x upon 100 is 1770. 100x plus 18x whole divided by 100 by taking LCM is 1770. Therefore 118x upon 100 is equal to 1770. Therefore x is 1770 into 100 upon 118. First we cancel by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 0. 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. Then 59 1s are 59 3s are 177. 59 3 times is 177. So 30 into 50 is 1500. Taxable value of toy car is 1500. GST is 18% of 1500. That comes 270. CGST is half of 270, 135. SGST is same as CGST, 135. Now question number 6. One of the lengthy question, simple question, important question. Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of AC supplied is rupees 51,200, and that 51,200 is along with GST, means GST included. Taxable value is different, less than that. Along with GST, total 51,200 they took from the company. Rate of CGST is 14%. CGST. Find the following: rate of SGST, rate of GST, taxable value of AC, total amount of GST, then amount of CGST, amount of SGST, all are related with each other. Only to find taxable value of AC, it takes little time. All other are simple question. So I will start the answer. Pay attention. Rate of CGST on AC is given. Rate of CGST on AC is given 14%, and whatever is rate for CGST, that is only for SGST. Therefore first answer, therefore rate of SGST which is asked on AC is also same, 14%, half mark out of 3 marks. This question can be asked for 3 or 4 marks. Then if CGST is 14%, SGST is 14%, then GST rate is called 14 and 14, 28%. Therefore, rate of GST on AC is 28%. Out 14% of taxable value will be taken by CGST by central government, 14% by SGST, total 28% person has to give extra on the taxable amount. So we have obtained first answer, we have obtained second answer. Third, find the taxable value. Let the taxable value be rupees X. Taxable value of AC be rupees X. GST on it. What is total GST rate? 28%. GST at 28% equal to 28 upon 100 into X, that is 28X upon 100. And taxable value and GST together is total value. From that we will get X answer. Taxable value plus total GST, not CGST, SGST, total GST equal to total value, and that total value is given along with GST. Taxable value we assume as X, which is to be found. GST is 28X by 100 equal to 51,200. Then take LCM. 100X plus 28X upon 100 is equal to 51200. 128X upon 100 is equal to 51200. Therefore X is 51200 into 100 upon 128. If you are good in mathematics, you know 28 4 is 112, 1 4 4, and that one will come 512. 128 4 times is 512. 128 4 times is 512. And this 00. If you don't know, then cancel by 2, 4, etc. in rough, and finally you will get this. Therefore, X is equal to 400 into 100 means on 4 zeros rupees. X is nothing but taxable value. Therefore, taxable value of AC, which is asked. I told you that this is the lengthy question. This will only be for 2 marks. Other will be for half marks. This is for 1.5 marks. Taxable value of AC equal to rupees 40,000. Now we have obtained rate of SGST, rate of CGST, taxable value. Now we have to find GST. Total amount of GST, half of that will be CGST, half of that will be SGST. But before that, write this, complete it. I will solve remaining part here by rubbing out this part. Now we have to find the fourth, total amount of GST. Total amount of GST is 28% of X, 28X upon 100. And X is only taxable value, which is just now calculated. 28 into 40,000 means actual AC is of 40,000, but he has to pay this much because all other are GST. That only we will get after calculation. 28 4 112 and 200. So 11,200 rupees is the total amount of GST on that AC. Half of that will go as a CGST. So amount of CGST is GST upon 2. GST upon 2. That is 11,200 upon 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 remain, 2 6s are 12. Out of 11,200, 5,600 rupees is CGST goes to the central government. Amount of CGST. and amount of SGST is same as CGST. Half goes to central government, half goes to state government. So amount of CGST is same. So once CGST is obtained, SGST is same, 5,600 rupees. And that is the final answer. Write it properly, everyone. Now the seventh question from 4.1. Prasad purchased washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods, name of the shop. Discount of 5% was given on printed price. Whatever is printed price, first from that discount is subtracted, and then on remaining amount GST is calculated. GST is 28%. Find purchase price of washing machine. Also find CGST and SGST in the tax invoice. So first, printed price of washing machine. Rupees 40,000. Discount is at 5%. So discount at 5% is equal to 5% of printed price. So it will be 5 4s are 20 and 2,000 rupees. Therefore, discounted price in bracket taxable value on which tax is to be taken. Taxable value equal to printed price 40,000 minus 2,000. Discount is given, so it is called discounted price or taxable value, 38,000 rupees. Then on this 38,000, GST is to calculate. GST is at 28%. GST at 28% equal to 28 upon 100 into 38,000. 2 0 cancel, 1 0 still remain. 28 and 38 product we have to do. Do product 28, 38. 8 8s are 64, 8 3s are 24 and 6 30. 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 and 1 7. 1064 and that 0 rupees. This is the GST. GST at 28% is 10,640. First we have to find purchase price. Therefore, purchase price for customer equal to discounted price taxable value plus GST. Taxable value plus GST. Now we have to add 38,000 plus 10,640. 38,000 plus 10,640. So it is 48,640 rupees is the price for the customer. Purchase price for customer is 48,640 rupees. Now we have to find CGST and SGST. GST is calculated. CGST is GST upon 2. and SGST is same as CGST. CGST is equal to GST upon 2, 10,640 upon 2, 2 5s are 10, 3s are 2, 6, 5320 rupees. Therefore, CGST is equal to rupees 5320. CGST is always same as SGST. Therefore, SGST is also same, rupees 5320. So we have calculated 3 answers. Purchase price for the customer of that washing machine is 48640, CGST 5320, SGST 5320. First we have written printed price equal to rupees 40,000. Discount at 5% is 5% of 40,000 is 2,000. So taxable value after reducing discount 40,000 minus 2,000, 38,000. On that tax is taken and total value is calculated, that is the printed price for purchase price for the customer. And CGST, SGST should be written. Total GST is not directly written, always it is written in 2 parts. Half of that 5320 is CGST, 5320 is SGST. Means in his bill it will be written taxable value 48640, CGST 5320, SGST 5320, total value 48640. In this 4.1 we learn everything about GST, how to calculate GST, what is CGST, what is SGST. On taxable value GST is calculated, half of GST is CGST and CGST is same as SGST. Sometimes only taxable value is given, then it is easy to calculate GST, SGST, etc. If total value is given, then taxable value always we have to consider X and then we have to calculate. Thereafter getting taxable value only we can get GST and SGST. This much is in this part. In the next part we have to see what is mean by input tax credit ITC, what is mean by output tax. Means when one shopkeeper gives goods to other shopkeeper give it to customer, then in that case when first shopkeeper gives some tax, that is called tax already given, ITC. Then second shopkeeper when collect complete tax from the customer, he will return that to the government and to the shopkeeper. How and what is the process, that we have to learn in the next part. That we will do next time.